The nervous system is one of the most important, intricate, and highly coordinated systems in the body. It's responsible for everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and even your reflexes. But what exactly is the nervous system? What are its main components? And what are some interesting facts about it? In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the nervous system, including its structure, functions, and some crazy facts that you probably didn't know. So let's dive in. The nervous system is a complex network of specialized cells called neurons that transmit signals throughout the body. The main components of the nervous system include the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is the control center of the body, responsible for processing sensory information, controlling movement, and coordinating bodily functions. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves that carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves are smaller bundles of fibers that extend from the spinal cord and connect to muscles, organs, and other tissues. There are two main divisions of the nervous system: the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNs. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the PNs is made up of all the nerves that extend from the spinal cord to the rest of the body. The PNs can be further divided into two parts: the somatic nervous system, which controls voluntary movements, and the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary movements. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a deeper look at the structure and function of the nervous system. Neurons are the basic unit of the nervous system and are responsible for transmitting signals throughout the body. They have a cell body, an axon, and dendrites. The cell body contains the nucleus and other essential components of the cell. The axon is a long, slender projection that carries signals away from the cell body. Dendrites are short, branched extensions that receive signals from other neurons. When a neuron is stimulated, a signal is generated that travels down the axon. This signal, known as an action potential, is a rapid change in the electrical charge across the neuron's membrane. Action potentials are all-or-nothing events, meaning that once triggered, they will travel the length of the axon without diminishing in strength. The action potential is then transmitted to the next neuron by the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are released from the axon terminal, which is the end of the axon, and bind to receptors on the dendrites of the next neuron, triggering a new action potential. This process allows signals to be transmitted throughout the nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for a wide range of functions in the body, including sensory input, motor output, and integration. Sensory input refers to the ability of the nervous system to detect stimuli in the environment, such as changes in temperature, pressure, or light. Motor output is the ability of the nervous system to control muscle movement and organ activity. Integration is the process of analyzing and interpreting sensory information and deciding what to do about it. One of the most fascinating aspects of the nervous system is its ability to repair itself. When a neuron is damaged, the body will often attempt to repair the damage through a process known as neurogenesis. Neurogenesis is the production of new neurons. While it was long thought that neurogenesis did not occur in adult humans, recent studies have shown that it does occur in certain areas of the brain. Here are some interesting facts about the nervous system that you might not have known. The human brain has the ability to store an almost unlimited number of memories. A single neuron can store up to a terabyte of data, which is equivalent to 250,000 hours of video footage. The fastest human reflex is the cranial reflex, which is the blinking response to a sudden change in the air, such as a puff of air directed at the eye. This reflex is controlled by the trigeminal nerve and occurs in less than 10 milliseconds. The brain consumes about 20% of the body's energy, even though it makes up only 2% of the body weight. This is because the brain is a very energy-intensive organ. We hope you enjoyed learning about the nervous system. If you want to learn more about the human body, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.